What up? This is Rob the Straw Hat Ronin. We already know what time it is. Chainsaw Man, baby. Vroom, vroom. That was kind of corny. Let's get into the show, man. First episode was dope. It was pretty good. If you're not familiar with the manga, it's finna get nuts, bruh. It's finna get nuts. I'm ready to get into this, man. Let's stop wasting time. Let's go. Somebody's hungry. Obviously, my dude. And here comes all the barking. Put him down, bruh. Damn. Yeah, you thought? Oh, say word. I think this is all like extra stuff. Why is he standing? Why is he up there like that? Soundtrack though. So I just watched this to see if I could notice all the movie references. I know quite a few of them, not all of them, but quite a few. So what y'all think? Is that the best opening of this season? Kare udon. Oh, shiznit. You imagine a chainsaw dog jumping on your back like that? I'd be scared as shit, bro. Gonna chop my neck off. Indeed. Oh shit. Bro, stop talking. You're gonna pass out just as utter a word. Get you some. Yo, Denji finessing. Makima. Damn. See, if a girl said that to me, I'd be too suspicious. Shorty, I just met you. Kochi kochi. Yeah, that music screwed me up real quick. Aki. Bro, don't grab me by my neck like that. He pouting. Oh shit. This how we starting off? It's cool, it's cool. Relax.
Bing bang!
Bing bong! Ugh, bruh. Nah, bro, you spit on me, we gotta throw hands, chief. You don't know the situation, bruh. We can't do that. Oh! Oh! Dirty. Damn! Get your payback, Denji. I don't know if I would have went that far, but... He was like, I ate good today. I ain't going nowhere. Oh, okay, they fighting. Bro, dodge. Oh my god. I'm about to say, if he got up after that, bro. Aki's built different. The nut devil. Absolutely not.
デンジ君は特別なの。だから
Look at her eyes, bro.
対応で扱うことになりました。法案を辞職したり違反行動があった場合、デンジ君は悪魔として処分されます。
See, that's why we can't leave.
それってどういうこと？
They gonna kill you. No freedom.
ああ、マキマさんって悪い人なの？じゃあいい人なのか？いい人に決まってる。俺の命の恩人だ。
Does someone saving your life make them a good person? I mean, obviously in your eyes it does, but
もう一回抱きてえな。
he's like, you got a hug, bruh.
バターと蜂蜜。あ
That's too much.
あとシナモンもかけちゃおう。
That's way too
最
much.
強のワオワオワオワオ。
Man, I fell asleep on the toilet. Bro, my legs would be toast. My legs would have transcended. And he used up all the toilet paper. It's a terrible roommate.
の死体を乗っ取った悪魔。それが魔人だ。え、ああ、それじゃ俺魔人じゃね？違う。魔人は頭の形状が特徴的だ。
Characteristic heads? Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Yeesh. Yeesh.
おい、なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？まあ、
Nigga, I do this. I does
使
this.
ってでそれでなんか楽に殺してやりたくて。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された。
Damn.
俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してやりたいぜ。
This is personal for him.
悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。俺友達いねえもん。
Sound like Ezra Miller in
その言葉
Justice League.
覚えとくぜ。
I don't have any friends.
本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけなのに。 チートビッチって
Bro, Denji is hilarious.
よし、エッチ確認。
デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
風呂も毎日入れて、いいもん食えて、面のいい女も近くにいて、もう100点。
This man is living a life.
なんかあったか？マジでマジの。
Yeah.
胸、揉んでみて。
Is that the new dream?
見つけたぜ。俺の本気。俺のゴール。
Touch some boobs.
胸だ。
Boobs.
おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名は
She's here.
とやらはうぬか。
パワー？名前？
Power.
魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？
Boobs.
まあいいか。よろしくな。
通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること。
Got them walking on rooftops and shit. Damn.
人間、早くなんか殺させろ。
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる。
As long as she's out enough.
問題は
That's most men.
彼が君たちを組ませたから。
やろう。俺をはめ上げてパワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして俺を辞めさせる気なんだ。
血の匂いじゃ。
Oh
おい
shit.
おい、てめえどこ行け？
勝負じゃ勝負じゃ。
Bro, the animation is crazy, bro. A sea cucumber. Oh shit. That's from the trailer. Damn!
わしの手柄じゃ。
Yes. Yes. I love it. Outro's pretty sick too. I actually like this outro a lot. Man, fire opening, fire ending. Bro, we eating good, man. So we got Aki and Denji starting off on the wrong foot. But that's how most Fire Forge relationships go, right? You watch any buddy cop movie, that's how they go. So is this gonna go that way? Who knows? We got a new partner already with Power, and she's gonna give Denji some issues as well. This is gonna test if Denji has any type of leadership qualities and leadership skills. I don't know what else to call it. I guess the word I'm looking for is responsibility. This is going to test to see if he can be responsible. So they left him by himself with power. Can he get this chick under control? Power is wild, bro. I love me some power. You got people on the Makima train. I'm on the power train. But I wouldn't call her a waifu, though. I don't think I'd make power a waifu. I don't think she's waifu material. She's awesome, though. I love her. That's all I got, man. If you like this reaction, hit that like button down below. Hit the subscribe button down below. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Until next time, Ronin signing out. Peace.